Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got this box, so let's unbox it. Box, let's unbox it. But what's inside the box? Let's find out. Ooh, it's another iPhone. But why another iPhone? Even though I moved on a while ago? Does that really matter? Let's quickly unbox and set it up. Ooh. Wow, that white actually looks really good, really nice in person. Wow. You see that white? Lifting it out the box. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna put this tech woven case on it. Just because. Now. Wow. Compared to my 15 Pro deep blue. Let's boot it on. Ew, liquid glass, ew. English, United States. Okay, continue. Oh wait, hold on real quick. Alright, I got another iPhone to do this with, so. Okay, let's go through the same process again. Continue. This isn't updated to iOS 26 yet, so this is a better phone than this. Okay, we're just stuck on this menu, so yeah. I swear this feels just like this one. Well, maybe because it's the same exact phone. Okay, continue. Set up later. Don't use passcode. Don't use. Transfer from iPhone. Setting up your account. What is this one saying? It's just on this menu. Please read these agreements. Does anybody actually read those? I honestly wonder why I took off Wi-Fi so it can transfer. Wouldn't it be faster if it was on Wi-Fi? And same with this one because it's not connected to Wi-Fi. Wouldn't it be better if the Wi-Fi was connected? Okay, what does the iPhone possess in the box? We have the braided USB-C cable. I honestly find it aesthetic when people put the phone on top of the box to set it up. It's just aesthetically pleasing. I don't know why. I'm mixing him with them so he can be jealous. Actually, I don't know why he's jealous because it's like the same exact phone. It just, Dang it, my camera died. Ugh. We've been here for like 30 minutes already. And it's still at it's still at 1 minute. If you can see, the line looks like it's already filled. I don't know what it's doing. I mean, this white is also a pretty nice white too. Like compared to my iPhone 14 Pro, 15 Pro, with 17 Pro blue versus the white. Yeah. Oh, the Wi-Fi came up, so maybe that's a good thing. Oh, if you can see, it transferred done. Okay, continue. Oh, this just turned off. Not right now, not now. It's just, oh, okay. Oh, great, it's doing this now. It says device added again, but as you can see, it's still doing whatever this is. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, it's set up already. Okay, restore, set up later. Don't use. Get started. Wow! Okay, one thing I need to do before I finish this is I need to set up cellular. Install plan. Cellular plan. Transfer by nearby iPhone. Yes, use. Okay, this is my first time doing the eSIM setup from my iPhone, from a phone that has a SIM card to a phone that does eSIM, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Does it work with my phone? If I put it, what? It does it! Oh my gosh! It will do it with my phone, but it won't do it with this one. Okay, now it's back on, so I should just be able to do the eSIM process now. Set up nearby. Hello. It's not working. If I'm gonna put my phone closer to it. Okay, I'm probably gonna have to contact T-Mobile.
To provide the best service possible. To learn more,
This is why Verizon is better.
We're currently experiencing longer wait times to reach customer care. We're sorry for this inconvenience. We appreciate your patience and thank you for being a valued customer.
This is why Verizon is better. Do not go with any other company besides Verizon. T-Mobile sucks. At least the directory on here is better than the directory than what I call the 611 number. I just realized that this could be the reason why, because it's January 1st after filming, so it's probably busy as heck.
Is it ready here? You gotta have as well a brand new device, right? So I do have the information here. Yeah, there you go. It is actually completed. So I would need you to access the setting of the iPhone 17.
Mm-hmm.
After setting, go to the cellular.
It says set up cellular.
Yes, please.
Oh, I click set.
Then it would actually start activating, or either it would ask you to click on T-Mobile service.
It says set up eSIM.
Yes, please.
Okay, it says activating.
Notice the account of yours. If it's 20 years cost to take advantage of.
So yes, I did get a new iPhone, but not really. My mom did, and this is my mom's older phone. She upgraded from this phone to this phone. And actually, I'm not even gonna get this phone. It's gonna be joint custody along with this one. This phone is 13 Pro. This is the 14 Pro. We're gonna share these for content. This is gonna be hers. This is gonna be mine. We also are going to be sharing my Rode mics, which I don't even know where they even are. I might have put them back. Actually, I think they're right here. Yeah, I'm gonna be using we're gonna be using the Rode mics, but we can't use the Rode mic with 13 Pro or the 14 Pro with these are 17s. But yeah, I'm taking this recording just for fun. I mean, just to show the process. I hate T-Mobile. Do not ever get T-Mobile. That's why Verizon is better. So yeah, the color actually was really nice on this phone. It was a nice white. I mean, I still would have went with the iPhone 17 Pro if I can get out the case. I would still go with the iPhone 17 Pro in the deep blue. I like it a lot more than this white. And the orange, I would never go for the orange ever a day in my life. But yeah, this is my first official video of 2025, except for the Rewind 2025 video, which you guys should go check out. So Mom, if you're watching this, enjoy your new iPhone. I'll be still over here but depressed with my old ones. For my 14, my 17 Pro. I'll still be depressed with my old ones. That's even old, but yeah. And so with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh my god, why that box is so hard to open? Get it out. Oh my god, it's hard. Oh, alright, just put it back in. Dang it.